Hello everyone, welcome to FairFunds. This is an MVP for our blockchain-based platform for community funding. In this video, I'll take you through how it works and its core functionalities. So, without a further ado, let's get started. So, this is the main dashboard of our platform. Currently, it provides overview of all the funding vaults and key statistics. As you can see, currently we have zero funding vaults and proposals created. So, let's connect our wallet to get started and create a new funding vault. Okay, now let's create a new funding vault.
When creating a vault, we need to set several important parameters. Vault description. This can be a small description about the vault and maybe its purpose. Funding token. This is the ERC20 token that will be deposited and later distributed to accepted proposals. Voting token. This ERC20 token gives users the right to vote. Minimum requestable amount. The smallest amount of funds a proposal can request. Maximum requestable amount. The largest amount of funds a proposal can request. Tally date. The date after which votes will be counted. For our demo, we have created an mock ERC20 token. We will use it as funding token as well as voting token.
Great. Our vault is now created. Let's click on it to view the details. One of the first thing we need to do is deposit funds into the wall. I'll go ahead and deposit 3000 tokens. Okay. So now that our now that our vault has available funds, let's create a proposal. Now that our vault has some funds, let's create a proposal. We will click on create proposal and fill in the details. Let me fast forward and create another proposal. To participate in voting, user needs to register by locking their voting tokens, which gives a proportional amount of voting power tokens to the user so they can use it to vote particular proposals. Yeah. 'Now we are ready to vote. As this is a demo, I am just using a single account and it has all the 100% of the voting power. In production, voting power will be divided among all the community members. So let me give 72% of my votes to proposal B. 32% of my votes and 28% of my votes to okay. So for demo purpose, we'll change the tally date to a date in past. and also call the tally endpoint. So normally this endpoint in production will be called by a scheduled cron job at the same time on every day. So coming back, as the tally date has passed, we can now access the result page. So looking at result page, we can see all the key stats and also which proposal is allocated how much funds. FairFunds uses a formula to calculate funding for accepted proposals, that is minimum of the max amount requested by the proposal and the percent of total funds equivalent to the percentage of vote it got. For a detailed explanation of this formula, you can check the description. So, as the tally date has passed, anybody can call this distribute funds function. This will trigger the distribute function on the smart contract, and all the tokens will be distributed amongst the recipient of the proposals of amongst the recipients of the accepted proposal. After the funds are distributed amongst the recipients, the remaining funds can be claimed back by the depositor. That's FairFund's core functionality, free from creating walls to distributing funds. It offers community-driven decisions, transparent voting, and fair distribution. I'm looking for feedback to improve FairFunds, so it would be great if you can try it out and let me know. Thanks.